going to discuss about Viburnum opulus, common name high cranberry. Before we are going to the indication of Viburnum opulus in each system, we are going to discuss about a case reported by Dr. Herring. In this case, a woman of 5 months in the family way who while out driving received a severe strain. 3 days later, the severe bearing down pain began in the abdomen and back. We should notice the symptom, that is pain in the abdomen and back. What type of pain was? Colicky and crampy pain. What happened to that pain? That pain penetrated the hip bone and downward into the vagina, and also accompanied with nausea, urgency to urinate. When he gave the viburnum, the almost symptom is relief and threatening miscarriage. These symptoms are similar to the common symptom of Viburnum opulus, that is pain in the abdomen and back. What type of pain? Colicky, crampy pain. The pain in the back extends downwards to the thigh, vagina, that is hip bone, and there is urgency of urine, nausea, and is indicated for threatening miscarriage. Another way to remember about the symptom of Viburnum opulus, whenever you think about the Viburnum opulus, you think about a pregnant lady. A pregnant lady usually accompanying a few symptoms in her pregnancy, that is nausea, urgency in urination, backache, a chance of miscarriage. Then coming to the most important system which Viburnum opulus have action, that is female reproductive system. We already discussed what type of pain, that is crampy, colicky pain, that is general remedy for cramps, colicky pain in pelvic organ. There is an abnormal sensation in Viburnum opulus personality, that is superconscious of internal sexual organ. There is spasmodic and congestive affection of ovarian and uterine region. Then coming to the menses of Viburnum opulus, menses too late, scanty, lasting a few hours. We should notice lasting a few hours. The discharge will be offensive, pain, crampy pain. That pain extend down the thigh. Have a look to this picture, that is the pain extend from back to the anterior part of thigh. A bearing down pain before the menses, a congestion and heaviness in the ovarian region, with a aching in the sacrum and pubis, with a pain in the anterior muscles of thighs. It's indicator for spasmodic, also for the membranous dysmenorrhea. The leukorrhea will be excoriating, a smarting and itching of genital, faint on attempt to sit up. There is an increased frequency of miscarriage or early miscarriage. Viburnum opulus indicator for early miscarriage. The pain from the back to loin and worse early morning. Have a look to the head symptom of Viburnum opulus. Vertigo, feels as if falling forward, severe pain in the temple region, sore feeling in eyeballs. The common symptom seen in pregnant lady is nausea. Here came the same, that is constant nausea, but here the nausea is relieved by eating, but there is no appetite. There is a tenderness in the region of umbilicus, and also a sudden cramp and colicky pain in the abdomen. Again, we need to think about a pregnant lady. There will be increased frequency of urination. They cannot hold urine while coughing and walking. There will be involuntary urine. It is frequent urging, copious pain, light colored urine, cannot hold water on coughing or working. Coming to the rectum, that is stool large and hard with cutting in rectum and soreness in anus. In extremities, there will be stiffness and sore feeling in the nape of neck, sacral backache, and in lower extremity, weak and heaviness. Weak and heaviness in lower extremities, sacral backache, and stiff and sore feeling in the nape of neck. When we think about the viburnum opulus, I already said think about a pregnant lady. When that pregnant lady sitting in an outdoor, in open air and resting, she feels the symptom is ameliorated. That is, open air and resting ameliorate her symptom. When the same lady, just for remembering the modality only, I am saying like this. When she is lying in a warm room, either during evening or night, aggravates her symptom. That is, she is lying on warm room at what time? Evening and night. Here we got 4 modality that aggravates her symptom. That is, lying on affected side in warm room at what time? Evening and night. This was her symptom. Better when she is sitting in open, sitting or resting in open air. That is, open air and resting ameliorate her symptom. That's about main indication about viburnum opulus.